Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So recently a company called Firmoo reached out to me to ask me if I wanted to review their glasses for you guys. And being a glasses wearer myself, I thought it would be a great idea to see what this company is like and see what the quality of their products are like. So I obviously said yes, and they've arrived. So Firmoo specialise in glasses, and they have both prescription and non-prescription, where you can get your prescriptions if you need them, or if you don't need a prescription and you just want to wear glasses for the style behind them, then they also have that option. So when they sent me the glasses, they let me choose what I wanted, what glasses I wanted. If I needed my prescription, they also included that. And yeah, so they sent the glasses in this hard case that says Firmoo on it, along with a cleaning cloth for the glasses and the repair kit. So the glasses that I've chosen look like this, and I am quite happy with them. The frames are a lot more lightweight than my other glasses are, but the lenses are pretty much exactly the same. I can see just as clear with these ones as what I can with my other glasses. So these ones here I think retailed for $35 roughly. That included the shipping, the frames, the prescription lenses, and also the add-on of anti-radiation and anti-glare, which that is extremely cheap if you're asking me. Especially for all that, when you can go to an optometrist and potentially pay $200 up for one pair of glasses. So yeah, these glasses, with them the frames being so lightweight, I find them very comfortable. Doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything at all. Feels good. They also have hundreds of different styles and different colored frames you can choose from, which is pretty awesome. It took me ages to decide which ones I wanted. And I was like, something similar to the other shape of my other glasses, because I know those suit me. So yeah, I decided to go with these ones, and I am happy with them. They are gorgeous and they're so cute. The shipping was extremely fast. They actually made my glasses within 2 days of me sending in my prescription, which I was amazed by. And then they were shipped, and I had them within a week of ordering. So they arrived very quickly. They were shipped very quickly. The lenses are as good as my expensive glasses for a fraction of the cost, and I love it. It's great. So Firmoo have also given me some offers for you guys, so if you're curious about trying them for yourself, there are some links below in the description box that you should check out. They are, however, affiliate links. You can either use my affiliate link and get yourself some goodies that way, or you can just go to their website. Either way. Okay, so a big thank you to Firmoo for reaching out to me and sending me a pair of your glasses, which are very good for the price. Yeah, thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. For now though, there is a bonus makeup tutorial if you're curious about how I've achieved this look today, then keep watching. So firstly, I have primed my face, applied my foundation, concealed under my eyes and on my nose. Then I have applied my RCMA No Colour Powder to underneath the eyes and the nose area. You want to make sure you pack on your loose powder to sit where your glasses would, as this will help you keep the foundation on. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So usually I wouldn't bother with eyebrows when I'm wearing glasses because you don't really see them that much, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to use my designer brand's Brow Master Creamy Brow Pomade just to show you how it could look. When you're doing your eyebrows, you want to always start at the center, closer to the end of the eyebrow. Take concealer, go above the brow and underneath it. Just carve it out, as always. Take whatever you use to blend the products in. I am using a Bonnie Choice sponge from Born Pretty store. And there your eyebrows are done. A little bit more concealer as a base for the eyeshadows. And just blend that in with your finger. Next thing I am doing is grabbing my Cheeky Bits Love Me palette. And I am going to take this color here and just push it into above the crease. Circular motions to blend it out. Kat Von D Shade and Light Glimmer Veil palette and the black. And I'm using a flat brush. I'm just pushing that above the crease again. Doesn't matter how messy it is at the moment, because we will be fixing that shortly with blending. The reason I'm using a packing brush, a flat brush, is so there's more colour to blend with, and just blend that in the same sort of circular motion. Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fairway, and I'm just going to use a brush to carve. When you've got hooded eyes like me, I find that lightening up and cutting the crease always helps them to look bigger. Okay, so I'm not setting that at all, but I am going to take my flat brush and go in with the white from the Kat Von D palette. And just pack that on to where I have the concealer. Now you're going to want to take a little bit of that black again and just place it around the area of where you've done the white. And also bring it in a little bit on the sides to create a nice grey. going to take that colour there. So it's like a nude sort of colour, and you just want to bring that underneath your eyebrow. Okay, so now you want to contour your face a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna use Zoeva Coral Spectrum blush for two. So I'm just going to create a slight wing on the eye. Brush off all of this powder. I'm going to take a flat brush again and do some of the black just on the lower lash line. And just blend it towards the inner corners. Just windscreen wiper motions. So when you're wearing glasses, they can sometimes close off your eye and stop your eyes from looking so big and bright. So what I love to do is grab my Fake Awake by Tarte, and in the very inner corners of my eyes, just draw a light V triangle type shape. It's as if you're creating a cat eye but with nude eyeliner. So I'm going to be using the Aurora Glow Kit and use Luna. Now you don't really need to do bridge with highlighter because when you're wearing glasses it's not really going to be seen. Firstly, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes, get that out of the way. Then mascara, both upper and lower lashes. So when you're wearing glasses, you do not want extremely long eyelashes because they can just sit there and hit the glass. So I'm going to go in with Shook from Lash Life. I love Jeffree Star's lipsticks. But first, Too Faced lip injections. Extreme.